Hello friends, we will be making this wall hanging today. For making this wall hanging, we don't need much material and this is really easy to make. They look pretty on wall. You can also put them in set of 3. So for making this, the supplies we will be needing are colored sheets, any color of your own choice. You can choose scissor, quilling tool, a stick, some thread, old newspaper and Fevicol. So let's begin. Now we need to make newspaper sticks. For making this, I'm taking help of this wooden stick. I've kept this in the corner and now with the help of this stick, I'm going to roll this. Slowly you need to roll. It's really easy, kids. It's not difficult. After rolling is done, you need to apply Fevicol and do the pasting. So in the same manner, you need to make 16 of them. So I have already made to save time and I have also cut them into equal sizes. The next step is to paste two sticks together. So we have to apply Fevicol on one stick, paste another one with this, keep holding for a few seconds, and we have to do this same with all the sticks. So now our sticks are ready. We can start with the base. Now just keep the sticks crisscross to each other. Try to keep equal distance between all the sticks. Before you do the pasting, please be careful of the distance between the sticks. After pasting all the sticks, we will have to wait for a few minutes, almost 10 to 15 minutes, so that it dries properly. Still not done. Let's give this few more minutes. Let's start with the roses now. So we need 4 big flowers for the corners and 12 small flowers for the center. Let's begin. So now we need 4 big circles and 12 small circles. The flowers are made in the same way, only the size of the circle varies according to the size of flower you need. So once our circles are cut, we'll start making the flower now. For making the flower, start cutting the circle. Keep giving it a little wave while cutting and keep going towards the inner side of the circle. Leave little space in the center, this, so that you can paste your flower on this. Now with the help of quilling tool, just tuck this in the corner and start rolling your flower right till the end. Keep rolling. Once our flower is done, we will do the pasting with Fevicol now. So the center part which we had left, put Fevicol and hold the flower. Keep holding this for 15 to 20 seconds so that it's properly fixed. You have to do this with all the flowers. Our flowers are ready. I've made 4 big flowers for the corners and 12 for the center. I have made 6 light pink and 6 dark pink. Let's start with the leaves now, friends. I have taken light green color sheet. I will be cutting the shape of the leaf. Just fold this leaf and start cutting. So you need to cut lines slowly. Be careful. Don't cut the complete leaf. You need to leave little edge. So this is our leaf. Our leaf is ready. All our leaves are ready now. Let's start pasting our flowers and leaves on this base. We need to put leaves I'm just putting leaves on the corner flowers, so it is your wish if you want to put them on all the flowers. I will be pasting 2 leaves. All our corner flowers are done. Also friends, the base of newspaper I have kept it raw, but if you want to paint the base also, you can do so. It is completely your own choice. After pasting all the flowers, I need to add the thread now on the corner. You can do this with the help of Fevicol. Our hanging is ready friends. How pretty this is looking. You can make them in any number of sets you want. You can also increase or decrease the size of the hangings. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.